All right, let's cut to the chase. Social media marketing isn't just about posting a pretty picture and waiting for the likes to roll in. No, if you want to stand out, you have to play each platform like it's a different game. I'm talking about being smart, quick, and a little bit bold. Let's start with Instagram. It's all about fast visuals, eye-catching photos, short reels, and stories that vanish after 24 hours. Eye-catching photos, short reels, stories that vanish after 24 hours. If your content isn't thumb-stopping, you may not be seen. But here's a hack. Use that close friends feature to drop exclusive deals or sneak peeks. People love feeling like insiders, and that's how you keep them coming back. Next up, TikTok. If you want to go viral, you've got to get weird, fast. Trends move at warp speed, so jump on them early. Use trending sounds, bold text overlays, and try duets or challenges. Trending sounds, bold text overlays, duets or challenges. The algorithm loves new faces, so even if you're just starting, you've got a shot at blowing up. Now, Twitter, or X if you're feeling spicy. It's all about hot takes and real-time action. Don't just post, reply, retweet, and drop your opinion on trending topics. Reply, retweet, drop your opinion on trending topics. Keep it short, punchy, and always end with a question or call to action. But let's talk about the king of long form, YouTube. This is where you build a fan base, not just followers. YouTube rewards creators who keep people watching, so focus on killer intros and storytelling. Make your first 10 seconds count. Promise value, deliver fast, and always leave viewers wanting more. Promise value, deliver fast, leave viewers wanting more. Going live? That's your secret weapon. Learn to go live. Lives break the wall between you and your followers. It's raw, it's real, and it's interactive. Answer questions, shout out viewers, run quick polls. Answer questions, shout out viewers, run quick polls. The more you engage, the more the platform pushes your stream. And here's the truth about getting followers. Authenticity beats perfection. People can smell fake a mile away. They want real. Show your process, your outtakes, even your fails. Show your process, your outtakes, your fails. Use polls, Q&As, and respond to comments. Make people feel seen. Every platform is unique. Instagram's quick and pretty, TikTok's fast and wild, Twitter's sharp and witty, YouTube's deep and loyal. Learn the vibe, test what works, and don't be afraid to try new stuff. So pick your platform, find your voice, and get out there. Start. Your audience is waiting, and your next viral moment might be one post away.